This is a short video to show you how to do an initial install on a rod knuckle. First thing to do is loosen the primary and secondary packing. You can do that by backing off the thumb screws and rotating them one turn to a quarter turn. Next thing you'll do is grease the polish rod. Hopefully you have a bullet nose that you can put on the end of it, and slide the rod knuckle over the polish rod. It has to go through the top so that the check valve opens as seen. You can remove the bullet nose. Take a spanner wrench. And this is important. You have to retighten the primary packing down to the initial packing indicator line. Next, you can take either a rod clamp or an L grip, hook it on the polish rod so when you stand it upright it does not fall off, and attach the polish rod to your pumping rods. Next step is to tighten your float-tee adapter into the float-tee with the appropriate amount of torque. You can reattach the fittings and keep it open to atmosphere so when you stroke test the pump, you know that the primary packing is holding, and that is the most important packing.